Hello and welcome to the Meridien in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm here in the lobby. I'm checking in quite late tonight. It's about midnight, but I'm gonna give you a tour of this hotel. I'm gonna show you my room. I'll show you the restaurant. I'll show you the executive lounge. I'll show you the pool. I'm gonna take you to the gym, one of my favorite spots. Well, hey, my name is Nick Ray. I tour all around the world to great hotels. I've been here in Bangkok, Thailand for about 10 days, checking out all of the Marriott properties. That right behind me, by the way, is where you're gonna check in. That is your check-in desk here at Le Meridien, right off the street. Let me show you what the front looks like. This is the main entrance. You can see a staircase over here, but the big entryway right where you're gonna walk in, right across from many massage parlors and everything, is right over here. And you're gonna walk in and go check in right there at the front desk. But I think what we want to see is my room. Let's go to my room now. I am in room 2205, and let's come in. All right, first thing I want to tell you is that when I was checking in, I had the choice to choose one of their special circular bedrooms, and that is what I got. So I have a circular bedroom. Now, not all of the rooms have the circular bed, only on the 22nd floor. But I'm staying by myself tonight, so I decided, hey, why not do it? This room is a nice view, and you can control this curtain with the easy switch button that's over there. One thing I always like to look for when I visit my hotel rooms, by the way, I'm just now noticing a weird quirk of the central thing. Where do I put my stuff? Because I have like a bed, like I read, and I have my book. Like, where am I gonna put my book near the bed? Don't let this hotel room shock you. This is only on the 22nd floor. Maybe I should not have gotten this since I do hotel videos, but I thought it was so unique. I love to see what is next to the bed. Now, this is a little bit of a different device than we've seen at all the other Marriotts. I don't see the USB charging station anywhere here, but I like to look to see if there is USB. I do see two USB ports right here, which is nice to see. Now, this is interesting. This is like a Le Meridien thing. We have some fitness equipment over here, which I think is really nice. That's cool that they do it. Now, I personally am parched. Oh, look at this. This is funny. I've stayed in a lot of hotel rooms here in Bangkok, and I haven't seen this in any of them. No durian and no mangosteen, which is quite funny. I do love to see the desk area, even though it's not a lot. This means a lot to business travelers like myself, so that's very nice to work. Pretty cool, cute little like workstation thing over here. This is nice. I like that. Neat little map, a nice TV on the wall. Love to see that TV, Samsung brand. I'm guessing it has Netflix and everything. Let's look at the coffee selection. Folks always love to ask me about this. Okay, that's neat, decaf. One thing I've noticed is that there's a lot of things that are printed in Japanese, which makes me think that they probably, ooh, wow, that's nice. That is one of the nicer collections of tea. Okay, this is nice. I can mess with this. It's nice to see those free waters, by the way. More things that we can see over here. Okay, that's nice. I gotta tell you, for the rate that this hotel is, which you can get it at a nice Bonvoy redemption rate, I'm happy with this hotel. Okay, this is nice. So this is the coffee press. That is the tea kettle. Nice to see, nothing down there. Now, will there be bathrobes? Yes, there will, because I can see one right there. Here's another bathrobe with the ironing board and the safe and the things. I'm happy with this room, I gotta say. Normal rooms are exactly the same size. So even if what I had before was two twins, this is this. By the way, my name is Nick Ray. Can you see me here? I do these interviews, I do these hotel tours because I'm a little crazy and I love hotel rooms. I'm just obsessed. Will you do me one favor? Will you like or comment? Tell me when you're coming to Bangkok, what you're researching, what other hotels you're looking at. Just say hi in the comments, it really makes me happy. And then I'll just say, thank you. Okay, back out. Let's see the toilet. Actually, my gosh, this definitely has a lot of Japanese people here because that is one of the first bidet toilets that I have seen in any Bangkok hotel. And I've stayed at a lot of them. I'm very happy about that instead of the thing. How do I open this? I guess I'm an idiot. I do it like that. We see the rain shower up top, which is nice. and I can see the shower. The shower feels fine. Can I turn this on? I don't know how. My lights, here's my lights on. This is nice. This is a very good shower. And we've got a huge bath over here. Now, folks always ask me, Nick, show us the amenity kit. So I will show you the amenity kit. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Le Meridien Hotel here in Bangkok, Thailand. I have to say, thus far, I am very excited about this room with the price-performance ratio. I would say I give it 2 thumbs up. A very, very quick commercial. Can I talk about this book that I wrote? It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. Let's see if I can focus on it. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. And this book will show you how to host a party, but not in the way that you think. I'm just going to tell you that this book is very nice, and you should just look up the reviews. Just look up the reviews on Amazon, and I promise you, you'll be surprised by it. If you want to know how to make new friends, if you want to know how to build your network, if you're curious how your life might be different if you had more friends or a bigger network, if you're wondering how your life would be different if your social calendar was filled up with lots of invitations, please check out my book. I wrote this book, by the way. Just look at the reviews on Amazon. It's changed a lot of people's lives. I hope it might reach you. Okay, back to the hotel tour. Into the executive lounge up on the 24th floor. So I'm going to show you how the executive lounge works. Now all the food, now all the food is over there, but I'm not going to bother because there's some people over there. But you can see that there is a continental breakfast spread. There's drinks, there's tea. There's a lot of area to sit. But I can show you inside this room, so I'm going to show you over here how nice this is. There's really tall ceilings, an incredible view. We're up on the 24th floor. Now this lounge is open from, I think, 6:30 a.m. until 10 p.m. at night. And you can have breakfast here or downstairs. I'm going to go downstairs with you soon, but I just want to show you up here. We'll peek out at the views, and then we'll go down there soon. Wow, look, there's that one famous building. It's a nice view. Here is the lounge. I'll probably go make some tea. There's a little bathroom right up there. And I will go take you probably to the gym next. I'll see you in a minute.
These were a few more of the drinks and the beverage options available at the executive lounge. I thought that it was a good executive lounge, and it was quiet and refined. Really that Japanese identity kind of extended up here.
These are some of the foods and snacks available here at the executive lounge in the morning. Now they can also make you some eggs or some more hearty options, but you have to ask, and they send that down to the kitchen. Let's visit the gym now. We're on the 6th floor. By the way, the pool is outside there. I will take you there after the gym, but I want to go through the gym now while there's nobody here. The bathrooms do not have a sauna. I'm going to tell you that now. There's no sauna, no steam room, but they do have a very nice gym with nice gym equipment. So how my gym tours work on all these hotel videos is I'm going to try to show you a little bit of each area. And this is helpful for those that are planning their workouts or that are looking to consider what equipment is available, perhaps for a long-term stay or just to meet their own fitness goals. Well, I have to say, so far I'm very happy with this. I see a back machine, a leg machine here, a Smith machine. We love to see a Smith machine at a gym. You can see the free weights that go from 2 kilograms all the way up to 30 kilograms. Wow, and one of my favorite things to see, by the way, there's a chest press machine right there. One of my favorite things is a freewheel spin bike. That is very different from these Matrix ones. This one is much better for cardio, in my opinion. And then you can see 1 elliptical as well as 4 treadmills. Now, you can see the gym out here. We'll take a peek. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is all I'm going to show you for the pool, because that's all that you guys need to see. You can see that you walk in right over here if you want to, and then you can go and swim out there with quite a fantastic view. Oh, heck. Let's just go out there. I'll take you out there now. Here are my feelings about this hotel, okay? Let me tell you this. The executive lounge The options were not that good. Now, granted, this is a Le Meridien and it's not like the Marriott, but the other Marriotts that I stayed at, if you look at my channel here in Bangkok, had better executive lounges. This one, though, I'll say was much less crowded and it felt much more sophisticated and quiet. Okay, next thing, the room. I did not like my circular bed. Hold on, let me go outside. It's more fun to film out there. Now I'm out by the pool. The circular bed I did not like. I would not do that again. I love the bathrooms, that they have the bidets instead of the hand shower. This is a Japanese influence hotel. Many signs are in Japan here are in Japanese, and so that is a perk for me. The room otherwise was perfect in that the blackout curtains were among the best blackout curtains I've had. The room did feel truly blackout. So the room I really liked. I will tell you how the breakfast goes when I go down for breakfast. We'll go down there soon. Let me show you the pool now.
Hey, I'm so sorry I could not finish this video. Some stuff came up for me and I needed to go and continue my travels. Overall, I actually really did like this hotel and I would definitely stay back. I was impressed by the general like Japanese nature of it, from the bidets in the bathroom to the Japanese options at breakfast. I also found that the price was very relatively affordable, especially if you're a redemption rate on Marriott for Bonvoy. I would definitely stay at this hotel once again. Thank you for watching my video. I'm so sorry I couldn't finish it. Check out my other videos on my channel for lots more Bangkok hotel reviews. Bye.